Okay folks, welcome back to the channel. We're going down a new concept today. We're trying something amazing, something different, and I'm calling it Your Story, Your Song. So the concept is really, really simple. I'm going to interview these two amazing people. You'll have to introduce yourself to the wonderful world. Go.
Hi, I'm Sahara.
And I'm Gene.
All
And
right.
we're boxers.
Not cardboard boxes. All right, okay. So the concept is called Your Story, Your Song, and I'm going to run a quick interview with these two, and then we're going to make up a song about them. Easy? Let's go. You two are just super amazing energy. Like you exude this warmth, organic love.
It's our favourite word.
Yeah.
We love organic.
How do you two see each other? Like, what's your description of Sahara?
Well, we see each other the same way. We both like the same things. Like the same food, same everything. We like it out there. She's funny. She's
Come
really
on.
out there.
She's
She's
outgoing?
great. She's really committed to getting something done. You know, she's
Focused.
really focused. Yeah,
Determined.
for the future. Yeah, very determined, being better.
What's
a better
her-
person.
What's her favorite thing?
Favorite thing? Training.
Training.
Sure. Yeah.
Awesome. What about him? How would you describe him?
Oh, Gene, he's a sweetheart. Yeah, he's got a contagious energy about him that really drew me to him as a person. And I knew that either way we're going to be in each other's lives as, you know, it could be one thing or the other, but whatever it was, I mean, we were supposed to meet just because our energy is unmatched. Like from the first time that we connected to every time after that, it's just felt like supposed to meet each other, I guess, in a sense.
What's your background?
I was raised up here in Brisbane, in Case Ridge. I grew up there my kid days. But I was born in Newcastle, but I don't know much about Newcastle. But yeah, I was just raised up here in Brisbane, so we were there for most of my childhood. Then we moved over to the Redlands,
Yeah.
and that's where I really grew up. I matured as a man.
Were you a rascal? Were you a,
a
wild kid?
Yeah, I was a wild kid, and I was really out there, always fighting and stuff, and just running amok. You know, nothing good.
What's
And that's
going on?
what- yeah.
That's wonderful. That's a
Yeah, actually,
like a
I
Samson
stopped.
story.
I actually stopped drinking, and I was sober for 20 months, which is good.
Wow.
When I
So you're
came
going to
back.
cut your hair?
No.
It's
I
beautiful
should,
box.
but
No, it's
You do.
beautiful
yeah,
box. Like
Shave his hair like mine.
I'm with this, yeah. And what's your story?
My story, I was born and raised in Australia. I have a cultural background. I'm Māori and Australian. And I grew up in like Maryborough, Harvey Bay region, so up north. And my dad pretty much like raised me from a certain point and got me into boxing, and that's when I really picked up the sport, like the love for the sport. But being young, my dad didn't really
Supported.
like, no, he wanted me to do it, but too much that I was kind of like
Yeah,
backing off because
yeah.
I didn't want to do it just because he wanted me to do
Yeah.
it. But after
Just pushing it down-
yeah,
pushing it down for
yeah, yeah. But after I got older and matured a little bit more, I realized that it actually was a passion that was not forced on me. It was something that I was I felt like I was destined to be in, and not just because my dad did it, but because I had the heart of a lion. They said, like, you know, I have a really strong heart, and that's what makes me so like successful in the way that I get knocked down and I always get back up on my feet.
Give me one core principle of yourself.
My core principle, I would say, is my why reason. My why reason is my family, you know, my blood, people around me. I don't want to just better myself, you know. I want to better everyone else around me.
I'd say that my like core reason, or my core, I don't know if you call it a reason or like just something that makes me strong. I guess
Makes you
it's
tick.
powerful, yeah.
Yep.
And that would be like my resilience, and it's carried me through my life. Just being able to bounce back from hardship and being, you know, put down, and I just always put it away, and I focused on what I wanted, and I ended up achieving so much on my own, and that's what makes me strong.
All right, we've done the interview. We've converted the lyrics through ChatGPT. We've added our style.
Yeah.
The title. It's called Sahara. E-N-E.
Yeah.
Awesome. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I don't think they're ready for this.
No, we're not, though.
Let's go. All right.
I
Yeah.
dropped my chicken, I'm so excited.
Don't drop your chicken. All right, here we go. So I've just added all the prompts into Suno, and now I am rendering the song for them. Suno is counting it down, strumming up something special.
Oh, look out.
Can you count to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Too late.
Oh, it's ready. Oh, look, it's
Is
got
it ready?
bringing
Or is
boxing
it-
gloves in.
Let's hear
Are we really not ready for
gonna
this?
be
Is
funny.
it
You are
gonna
not ready.
laugh,
It's
or
gonna
is
be
it
funny.
like? Is it gonna be really silly? Are we gonna
So we've
laugh?
got this song
It's
all done in
fun.
Suno, and
Yeah.
we're ready to go.
Yeah.
World premiere.
Yeah, we in the ring, but this ain't just a fight. Know what I done, da 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 da. We in the ring, but this ain't just a fight. It's a story of two hearts fighting life. From Brisbane to Redlands, from Harvey Bay dreams. This one's about Sahara.
She said I saw him in the middle of the fight. Crazy accent, big smile, shining bright. He smashed my ex, I was cheering in the crowd. And next time I saw him, my heart spoke out loud.
He says she's focused, she's kind, always pushing through. Determined, committed, yeah, everything true. The energy contagious, she lit up the scene. I knew from day one it was meant to be seen. I was a
Sahara and Gene, best friends, big dreams. Talking about life, talking about things. Every step they take, yeah, they're chasing belief. Sahara and Gene are right there on me. Oh, right there on me. Right there on me. Right there on me.
Wow.
I'm getting goosebumps on the back of my, I'm getting goosebumps on the back of my neck.
That's insane.
What do you think? What's the response? What's the reaction?
Yeah, that's so cool. That's crazy. I didn't know that was possible. Like, I struggle to write
Yeah,
lyrics
it's
myself, and like that is just like blown my mind. How,
I know.
It's just written so well.
yeah.
And the beat too.
Yeah, let's go. Let's keep going.
Yeah,
Let's keep going.
Sahara said boxing's in my blood, that's how I grew. But I had to find a passion, not cause dad told me to. From Harvey Bay to championships, flying overseas. I learned every setback is a chance to believe. Gene said I was wild, but I changed, found my lane. Put the bottle down, grew my hair, broke the chains. My wife, my family, my reason to fight. To lift up the next ones, keep their fire bright. Sahara and Gene, yeah, the shine is so clean. Two souls in the struggle, living out a dream. Through the highs, through the lows, they'll always be seen. Heart to heart, side by side, Sahara and Gene. Sahara and Gene. Sahara and Gene.
Oh yes.
Bring it.
Resilience is power, love is the key. The more that you give, the more you receive. Two stories collide and the energy's real. When they're together, the world's gotta feel. Cause Sahara and Gene, yeah, they shine so clean. Two souls in the struggle, living out a dream. Through the highs, through the lows, they'll always be seen. Heart to heart, side by side.
Okay, so that's the first version. There's two.
What?
Two versions. As in two
Okay, so
songs.
there's
Or-
Okay, so there's a boxing version and a love story one. Is this
So-
what's happening here?
The first version is the rushed through version of AI going, I need to get this done. The second version has a little bit more thought into it. So it allows a bit more layers in the music and allows a bit more layers in the song. So there's just a bit more scope with its generation. So it's
We
generated
get
one.
to listen to another one?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Here we go.
Yeah, we in the ring, but
I already like just love the feel in there. Oh!
So you see what I mean so far? Yeah, it just added
It's
something
giving
more.
dimension. It's
Yeah.
giving me like tingles.
the melody's still the same, the lyrics are still the same, but there's a little bit more with vocal arrangement,
Right.
music arrangement, and sound scope altogether. I could do this all day. I could do this all night. This is amazing, right?
Yeah, we in the ring, but this ain't just a fight. It's a story of two hearts finding light. From Brisbane to Redlands, from Harvey Bay dreams. This one's about Sahara and Gene. She said I saw him in the middle of a fight. Crazy accent, big smile, shining bright. He smashed my ex, I was dreaming in the cloud. Next time I saw him, my heart spoke out loud. He said she's funny, she's kind, always pushing through. Determined, committed, yeah, everything true. Her energy contagious, she lit up the scene. I knew from day one it was meant to be seen. Oh, Sahara and Gene, best friends, big dreams. Talking about life, talking about hope, talking about things. Every step they take, yeah, they're chasing my dream. Sahara and Gene, writing their own piece. Sahara and George, the best friends, big dreams. Talking about life, talking about hope, talking about things. Every step they take, yeah, they're chasing belief. Sahara and Gene, writing their own piece. Sahara said, boxing's in my blood, that's how I grew. But I had to find a passion, I cause dad told me to. From Harvey Bay to championships, flying overseas. I learned every setback is a chance to believe. Jeannie said I was wild, but I changed from my lane. Put the bottle down, pulled my hair, broke the chain. My why is my family, my reason to fight. To lift up the next ones, keep that fire. Sahara and Gene, yeah, they shine so clean. Two souls in the struggle, living out a dream. Through the highs, through the lows, they'll always be seen.
Wow.
That is insane, right? That is insane.
It's insane.
So this has only taken, I'm going to say 11 minutes in total for us to have a chat, for you to tell us a story, for us to turn in lyrics and create a song out of
Create a
it,
song.
and something that came from you.
That's insane.
Is this the new way to make music?
And then,
Well,
Is this the new way to make music?
so.
Yeah.
yeah,
I need to know all this. I need to know this.
it's a quicker way.
Yes.
So much quicker.
Yeah.
So it took 11 minutes.
Yeah. Phenomenal.
Here's me sitting here trying to write music like 10 years later.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Sahara
What were we doing? Whoa!
and Gene. My man. Hey, if you like this video, like the video, like the content, subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe, like,
And share with all your friends. And hey, if you think that we should be doing something other than just eating pizza, making music, comment below. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
Peace.